students, ninth group, continued lesson unit 3, my beginnings, Kapil Dev. Page 50. Please open your textbook, page number 50. Number 4. How did Kapil's father react to his escapade? Page number 49. Answer will be in paragraph 5. The horse, of course, was duly returned, and the chiding I received from my father discouraged my venturing near the grazing fields again. So father stopped Kapil Dev to go to the grazing fields and told that this type of activity you will never do it. It is wrong. These horses are police department horses. You should not ride on it and you should not take it in the home also. So this is father scolded and discouraged doing this type of activities, and Kapil Dev obediently listened to it and returned back the horse also. Next one. Fifth one. What were the games offered in the local school where Kapil was studying? Fifth one, paragraph 6, page 49. I went to a small local school that had few cricketing facilities. The games they offered at that time were basketball, football, table tennis and hockey. Probably because all they required was a ball, a couple of sticks and a net. Now, number 6. Which game was Kapil fairly good at during his school days? During Kapil Dev's school days, Kapil Dev was fairly, this one page 50, paragraph 6, page 50, top line, you see. Answer is there. I was fairly good at all games, exceptionally good at athletics, but dreaming of becoming a footballer. I worked hard at that game and was selected to play for my school. Now next one, number 7. That is a decision I will always be grateful to them for, as they unconsciously introduced me to the game for which I was made. He had taken birth in this universe for that particular special game. What is that game? What was the decision? Page 50. You see, number 7 you will get top of the this 7th paragraph, top means page number 50, top paragraph. You see, I am reading the lines. Fortunately, all my friends, means Kapil Dev friends, were interested in and played cricket, and they convinced me to change my game. That is a decision I will always be grateful to them for, as they unconsciously introduced me to the game for which I was made. Now next, number 8. But it was all merely fun to start with. What is Kapil talking about? Do you think cricket remained merely fun for him forever? Number 8. Answer. Page number 50, para 7. You read it. Here you have to find out the answer. But don't write it. You find out the answer. You keep on reading the paragraphs. Full lesson. Try to comprehend yourself. Try to understand the concept. But don't write anything. Only whatever in attachment I am sending, that one you start making the notes. After understanding and making the concept clear. So you see, page 50, para 7. I switched from one game to the other. I refer to Kapil Dev. So Kapil Dev switched from one game to the other and began to spend a lot of time on the cricket field. Naturally, he played in a number of inter-school tournaments and came to be noticed as a promising lad in the local press. But it was all merely fun to start with. Kapil Dev could never have imagined where cricket would lead him, and Kapil Dev certainly had no plans then of becoming a professional at all. Amazing. And he became the very popular, very renowned cricketer around the world. And personally also, the man is very good by character, by personality, very dignified. So around the world, every people love him. And he is one of the very good captain of India in cricket team. All the good followers, they follow him nicely. So you will keep on reading all these things nicely. And then in attachment today you will get grammar and vocabulary. Vocabulary I am telling you, page number 53. Please open your textbook, page 53, vocabulary, writing task. So you will do it. See, study the following set of words. Pick out the word that does not belong concept different, showing different activity, so it is different. Let's start the vocabulary game, and this one in attachment today I will send you. You will study perfectly and seriously. After that you will make it notes in your notebook with blue and black color neatly. Dear students, open page number 53, your textbook, vocabulary. Number 1, which one different? That one we will circle. Football, athletics, basketball, volleyball. Correct answer, which one odd? O-D-D, which one different? Which one odd here? Athletics, so you will circle athletics. Number 2, coach, learner, teacher, trainer. Coach, give training, trainer, give training, teachers also trainer. Different one, learner. Number 3, boxing, running, jumping, throwing. So dear student, which one different? Boxing. Totally different here. So boxing is different. Number 4, stamina. Success, stamina, speed, skill, sports, stamina. He has very good stamina. He can straight do the walk standing in the sunshine long hours. Speed, excellent in athletics or relay race. I had seen his speed. Very good sportsman. Good in sports. Skill is different here. So skill is different. Number 5, victory, joy. Success, joy. Defeat, different. Win, joy. Say success, victory, joy, win. But defeat, different. Totally different here. So circle, defeat. Number 6, medal, shield, cup, competition. Competition is different here. Medal, you have already won, so you got this medal. You are successful, so you got this shield. You are successful, so you got this cup. But competition is totally different here. So circle competition. This one in attachment you will get it, then you will make the notes properly. Now here you see page number, this one also in attachment today I will send you. You finish this one. Read and respond. Boardwork you follow. Read and respond. Page 55. I am reading. Listen seriously and then be active. The Greeks, page 55. Read and respond. Read silently. Did you understand? Please carry on. The Greeks, page 55, textbook. The Greeks started the Olympic Games on the plains of Olympia. There, Theia, there, last Olympic Games were held in 261 AD, means Anno Domini, and BC means before the birth of Christ. So here it is 261 AD. These games were started again in 1896 and are held once every 4 years. Once after every 4 years. After every 4 years. In the 5th year, that games they are played. A very popular, very renowned game around the world. At the Olympic Games of 1928 in Amsterdam, Bobby Pierce, underline this word, or you can circle also, Bobby Pierce won a gold medal for a rowing race. He also won the hearts of all who saw him with. Rowing race, you see in Kerala there is one race like that, boat race, snake boat. So that type of thing, Bobby Pierce won a gold medal for a rowing race in the Olympic Games of 1928 in Amsterdam. He also won the hearts of all who saw him with. Everybody around the world loved Bobby Pierce. Turn over, page 56. Bobby Pierce was born in Sydney in Australia. Sydney in Australia. His father was a great sculling champion. When Bobby was 5 years old, he was rowing around Sydney Harbour in a small boat. Then he started boat rowing. Before long, he won his first race, competing against 14-year-olds. One of the judges asked him, "How old are you, Bobby?" And he replied proudly, "6, sir! Only 6 years old, 6, sir!" Page 56. Second paragraph. By the time he was 20, Bobby was the sculling champion of Australia. The following year, he went to Amsterdam to compete in the Olympic Games. Then what happened? In the finals, he competed against 10 miles of America. From the start of the race, Bobby was in the leading. Bobby is leading. At the halfway stage, he was still leading and very much ahead of Myers. It seemed that Bobby could easily win. What happened? Then suddenly, something happened. Bobby heard a shout from the banks and looked over his shoulder. He saw a duck and a brood of ducklings, the baby, the duck and the ducklings swimming across the canal. They were swimming into the course. His boat is running and in the course it is coming crossing in that way. And the boat was going to run into them. So accident, definitely. But what happened? The poor birds had no idea that they were in the middle of an Olympic race. Immediately, Bobby slowed his boat down. What will happen? That is different. But the life is important of the duck, mother duck and the ducklings. So what Bobby had taken the decision that time, slowed his boat down. Myers was catching up very fast. The people on the shore were shouting as if they were mad. Slow down the boat. The mother duck and the duckling slowly crossed away. Then he started the speed and reached the point, destination and won the match. So people were mad and started shouting, but Bobby waited patiently until all the ducklings were out of harm's way. Then he picked up speed again and went on to win the race easily. Of all the Olympic heroes, it was he who won everybody's heart. A Dutch newspaper wrote he won the goodwill of the children of Amsterdam. His friends in the Australian Olympic team were not surprised by the incident. Bobby is that kind of a bloke, they say. From the age of 6, Bobby Pierce competed in races for 33 years and retired from sports in 1945. How many of these races do you think he lost? Not one. So, read all these things. That's all today's lesson. I will meet you again next video.